From basic setup, magiging full smart entertainment system na ang sasakyan mo dahil merong free reverse cam at free dashcam na nakasama.
Perky, baby, what we finna do?
Hello mga ka-CGP, ngayong araw i-upgrade natin ang stock head unit ng Toyota Tamaraw 2025 into our CGP N1 Android head unit. From basic setup, magiging full smart entertainment system na ang sasakyan mo dahil merong free reverse cam at free dashcam na Google certified din ito kaya updatable lahat ng applications mo. At dahil Android system siya, may Google Play Store na pwede kang mag-download na apps na gusto mo like Waze, Netflix, Spotify at YouTube. Meron na ring split screen feature para pwede mong gamitin na navigation habang nanonood o nakikinig ka ng music. Plus, may wireless Apple CarPlay at Android Auto kaya mas convenient gamitin habang nagdadrive. At may built-in equalizer ito para mas premium at malinaw ang sound quality ng audio system mo kahit stock lang. Kaya kung gusto mong i-upgrade ang driving experience mo, message mo lang kami dito sa Subs Auto dahil dito sa Subs Auto, we make your car smart.